heard about the programme through Careers Wales, and when I arrived for my first day, my introduction, I was met by my tutor with my family, as they told me what I'd learn about and how it would help me improve. Every day was different. We learned a lot about to improve our skills, including West, which is our essential skills. We went on days out trips. There was a few careers meetings, learning what can be added onto your CV, what's applicable, what should be on your CV. Confidence skills. I've made friends that I imagine will be with for a long time. Be happy really, but also just to find a job that I enjoy, something that will be stable. I'd like to maybe pop back to working with animals or mental health, anything. It's helped me get introduced to other programmes. It helps with helping people move forwards with their careers and giving them different opportunities. Also provides money just to help with travel, anything you need really.